Next feature we can add is these two holes. So we see they're supposed to be 1.25 in diameter, 2 inches apart, 1.25 from this top edge here, and 1.5 from edge to the center of the first hole. Okay, so let's click our face, sketch, normal to, and draw two holes. We can set them equal to each other. We can select the two center points, make them horizontal. We can set it at 2 inches. Set that diameter to 1.25. From this edge, 1.5. And from this top edge, we have 1.25. We'll go to features, extruded cut. And we could either do blind, but sometimes that can get you in trouble, because if this ending up thicker than what you set to your blind, it's not going to update and you might end up with just a partial cut. So you can either do through all, but if you add geometry later on, so let's say this gets mirrored later in the process, but this extruded cut is still first in your tree, that's not a problem. But if it gets mirrored and that body ends up being on top of this sketch, now you're going to have an extra hole. Generally, I like to use up to next when it's not necessary to use a through all, so that it will stop at the next face. So now we have our holes.